So the reason that we earth up potatoes is to feed the crop, but then it's also to prevent the tubers breaking through the surface of the soil as they grow, because then they're exposed to sunlight and they'll turn green. Now, there isn't really any need to do early potatoes because they're a lot smaller, so they don't tend to break the surface, but you definitely need to with main crop. And there's two methods. We can either rake the compost in between the rows up around the plants and create ridges like that. The other option is to add compost to your beds. And the advantage of doing it this way is, obviously, if you have access to a decent amount of compost, is that not only are you feeding your potatoes more, but also you are feeding the follow-on crop. So when you harvest your potatoes, you further enrich the soil. And what I'm doing here, which looks a bit odd in some ways, is I'm building up the compost around the stems of the potato plants. It doesn't matter if you cover over some of the lower leaves, the potatoes will grow through. And we're basically, I don't know if you can see that, but we're basically creating a ridge of compost around the bottom of the potato plant.